Hi friends. Now, now in Learn WordPress lesson 1 we have seen how to install WordPress. The second important step after installing WordPress is to make sure that uh, SSL is set up on the website. You can see here when I click here, connection not secure. We are getting a notice here. It means the SSL certificate is not installed on the website. For this we will be doing the manual installation. Go to the products. We have already uh, set up the SSL certificate. This is available in lesson number 5, website basics, where we have set up hosting, domain and SSL. Now here we go to manage. Here server type, select other and download the zip file. Now the file is downloaded. We will extract this file. Here, so this D733 6A with the certificate symbol, this is the file which we will be using. So we will go to my products. We'll go to manage web hosting. SSL certificate has to be installed on the server and server is in the hosting. So here cPanel admin. So we are in the dashboard. So now we go to the SSL TLS section. In certificate CRT, generate view upload. Since we have downloaded the certificate, we will be uploading it here. Choose certificate, browse. Select the certificate file, open and upload. See, now the certificate for domain has been saved. Go back. You can see here the certificate is installed. Now return to SSL manager and manage SSL sites. The next step is to browse. Here we have the certificate and we have got all the details. Install certificate. Now the certificate is installed on learnwebsiteskills.com. Let's check whether it's working or not. Okay. See. Now you can see here we have the cross symbol. It means connection is not secure and certificate is not installed. So we'll just do a refresh. Still it's not working. So here what you can do is type https double slash. Now see, verified by godaddy.com. Now the certificate is active. You can see here the connection is secure. Now we have to force SSL on the website. In the later video where we will be installing the plugins, I will explain you how to force SSL, and I will add that plugin process link in the description of this video. So please follow that video and you can force